Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Metals mining is one of the most environmentally intensive industries in the world, and the extraction of mineral resources carries with it inherent environmental responsibilities. Toxic metals, cyanide, arsenic, and more are generated in the production of gold, rare earth elements, copper, and all of the metals and minerals we need for our modern economy. Today we're in 84, Pennsylvania, and home of the Encotech Corporation. Encotech has developed a groundbreaking water treatment technology called plasma electrocoagulation, with application not just in metals mining, but also in water treatment projects, ranging from forever chemical, PFAS, wastewater and sewage treatment, and water treatment in oil and gas production. PEC, as it is called, combines well-understood electrocoagulation for water treatment, where metal ions are donated to grab contaminants, pull them together, and settle them out of the water, and plasma, the fourth state of matter. With plasma, aggressive oxidation and reduction chemistry occurs, destroying contaminants like cyanide from gold mining, forever chemicals, and more. Toxic metals, cancer-causing organics, and even phosphates and nitrates that lead to toxic algae blooms can all be treated in a single step. Encotech has brought innovation, advanced technology, and new approaches to water treatment to the market. The plasma electrocoagulation system is just one of the technologies that Encotech supplies, but it's already having a groundbreaking effect. In all their projects, Encotech's focus has always been to supply quality equipment and service, while also anticipating and responding to their customers' ever-changing needs. Come see the Encotech difference and visit encotech.net. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.